Good evening and welcome to Flannel Hill Farm. Chicken tractor update. Big K did more work on it today after I left the farm. So we got the door, this is 1/2 inch wire mesh. What is this called?
What?
This 1/2 inch mesh stuff. What's it called?
Mesh stuff.
You're putting yourself on camera.
Oh, sorry.
What is it?
A hardware cloth.
1/2 inch hardware cloth. On here.
That's what my grandpa called it. I don't know.
I think that's how you buy it. All the way around. All the way around. So I helped Big K up to like this point here. And then Big K did the rest of this. What did you do? Just dry fit the wheels? Put the axles on, dry fit them, make sure that they worked correctly. So then, I don't know, probably tomorrow we will finish the front side on this side of the door. The barrel bolt that we got is too big. So we're gonna get a new one of them. And I think we're gonna get multiples. I think we're gonna put 2 different kinds of locks on just so that if a raccoon does try to get in there and it does the barrel bolt, maybe we'll have something different. So it's gotta try to figure out 2 locks instead of just 1. Am I missing anything?
I don't know.
You did the work that I wasn't here for.
No, I put the bolts in, put the wheels on, kind of went back through and stapled more. Figured out how I'm going to do the ends and
Okay, so he did a lot of thinking as well as what I showed you guys.
which is usually the best.
We used little staples to hold the hardware cloth on, which is what the book calls for. I'm sure we put way more on than the book called for, but
I know what I did.
more is better. What did you learn?
Around here they don't call it chicken wire, they call it poultry netting.
Oh,
I grew up with it being chicken wire.
evidently the stuff that we have here that is gonna go the rest of the way along with a tarp is called poultry netting. So that's this stuff. This stuff down here is called poultry netting. Everywhere that I've been, it's been chicken wire. So there's that. The wheels. Benny. The wheels, I wanted to talk to you about the wheels. We have lots of rocks around here in general, but we have a lot of old like foundations and old stuff that comes up in our property specifically. So we thought that we had gotten solid tires. We got air tires. So I don't know how long these will last.
Plus they're
But
5/8 instead of 1/2 inch.
and they're 5/8 instead of 1/2 inch. I would assume that's this. Don't they have a thing?
Those were that for even bigger. The other bearings were for even bigger.
Oh, so
For now.
apparently the holes in the middle are too big, and then we have another set and those are even bigger. So they'll work for now. They're not exactly what we wanted in the first place, and they're not exactly the size we wanted either, but they'll work for now. So just as a warning, depending on your terrain and everything, your wheel, if you want it to be aired, make sure you don't have anything sharp, nails, screws, pipes, jagged rocks. if you do have that, like we do, you're gonna want a tire that's solid, no air. So there's that. That's what we learned. I think that's it. This thing's coming along solid. I like it. I'm sure the chicks will be thrilled. They'll have so much more room and grass and bugs and stuff. Look at this. Dodo bird, what are you doing? Dodo bird. That thing smells so bad. That toy that you've ripped up smells so bad. Look at the people. Kaylani.
Am I the only one getting tired of weeding?
Yeah, we put that Geo whatever down. You shouldn't have to weed the rocks.
Yeah, about that.
Kaylani, no!
Was that another futile attempt at catching that squirrel?
No, I think your dog just made friends with a cat.
You better not.
Oh no, it's another dog. Come here, KK. Lonnie, come.
Oh, is it that black dog that's been running around all
It's
day?
white and black. Come here, Benny.
I have a new dog, I don't know.
It's white and black. Can you see them? Right there.
Okay.
There's growling happening. Can you not hear that?
No, I can hear it.
Okay. So, that's what we learned. That's what we've done.
Roll into KK's yard and write that check. She'll cash it.
That's not her yard.
Oh, well, that's also true. Come on, Lonnie. Oh, Lonnie's got restroom issues today.
KK, come.
Betty, get out of there. I don't want to be plucking wood ticks for... Benny! Bentley! Oh, now he barks. Big tough dog.
Benny, come here. Bentley Rado.
What do you think, KK? Come on, Benny. Thank you for scaring the neighbor dog away. That was very nice of you.
Wow. Okay. So,
And thank you for not being hostile.
all the excitement on Flannel Hill Farm. I think we're going to take our nightly walk around the perimeter of the property. You already did it? You did it without me?
You were working.
Oh, okay.
I can go again.
On your way back down the hill. That direction. If you wouldn't mind liking, sharing, subscribing. Maybe say hi to us on our way down. And hit that little bell
Hey, while you're
notification
down there,
button
wait for a while. I
down
might
there.
need help back up the hill.
Big K says on your way down, if you want to wait down there, he might need help back up the hill. I appreciate y'all.